Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play XxTentation on guitar with an easy guide. We'll begin by exploring the essential open chords that form the backbone of many of his popular tracks. You'll also learn straightforward strumming techniques and how to interpret basic guitar tablature, making your learning journey smooth and enjoyable. Get ready to strum along to your favorite tunes in no time. Let's dive into the core chords that are crucial for playing many XxTentation songs. We'll focus on mastering the G major, C major, D major, and E minor chords. These four fundamental shapes are incredibly versatile and will open up a world of possibilities for your playing. Practice transitioning smoothly between them to build finger dexterity and muscle memory, which is key for fluid playing. Now let's talk about strumming and rhythm, which brings life to your chords. A simple yet effective pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Focus on maintaining a consistent tempo and a light touch for a clear, resonant sound. Using a metronome set to around 60 beats per minute can significantly help you develop precise timing and a steady rhythm, making your playing sound professional. Finally, it's time to put everything you've learned into practice and play your first song. Choose a simple XxTentation track that primarily uses the G, C, D, and E minor chords. Begin by playing at a very slow tempo, focusing on clean chord changes and a steady strumming pattern. As you gain confidence, gradually increase your speed. Soon, you'll be playing your favorite songs with ease and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.